RFS is a sheet metal processing service company. With over 19 years of experience, our company is equipped with a wide range of sheet metal processing equipment, including laser cutters, punch presses, hydraulic presses, welding robots, and bending machines, among others. In addition to these, we also have numerous auxiliary processing machines, such as surface grinders, shearing machines, wire drawing machines, and drilling machines, among others. Furthermore, we can perform CNC machining and surface treatment, among other processing techniques. Customers can obtain comprehensive one-stop processing services from us, thereby improving cost effectiveness. RFS places great emphasis on product quality and customer service. Throughout our collaboration with each client, we actively respond to their needs and deliver final products on time and to the required quality standards. We also prioritize technological innovation, having obtained numerous utility model patents. Each patent represents the outcome of our dedicated research into producing products of higher quality and quantity.